welcome back to my cool video. So today there's Sarah's special dessert that she is going to tell us how to make. I'm sorry for the background noise, like we are in a house, so background noise. Okay, so Sarah, what's this?
So this is the desi ghee of Patanjali.
Desi ghee of Patanjali. And then this is baking powder,
Cocoa powder.
vanilla essence, and the ghee curd. And this is
We are not going to use this. We have some maida, we have some brown sugar, and we have normal sugar, and we have eggs.
we have bowl and the mixer and some spoons over here. Do we also need the plates to serve now? No. So we need these things. So Sarah, you can come. Should I come? Okay. So
Yeah.
starting
First, we're going to put some
we are going
desi
to, yeah.
ghee.
It should be
We need this for marination also, so we're going to like.
So here till the desi ghee should be as per your quantity you are making. Yeah.
So we're going to put some brown sugar now. Everything should be according to your taste, not that. So we need a little more, sweet. So now we're going to
Oh my god, this looks so tasty. Not tasty, I'll taste it. Okay, so this is normal sugar.
that we put. That would be it. 2 cups of brown sugar as well as
The white sugar.
and
We mix it up.
and 1 cup of desi ghee.
For you. So guys, we'll continue
make a
after we
We're not gonna do it much.
stop.
Not gonna do it much. Just gonna.
Okay guys, so this is the bowl. The status is this. So next,
Now we're not gonna mix it too good. We are gonna put some curd now. And
yes guys, so she's going to put the curd. The curd.
so we're gonna put 2 big spoons
Yeah
of
guys.
curd.
So
And then we will put some maida in. So now we will put some maida in.
how much is the method?
Like we're gonna put like 4 cups.
Can I mix right now?
Sure.
Okay, so that's like pretty tough. So you can do it. Actually, this one start over here. So just do it like that. If you should better take like a normal bowl, not this glass bowl. Maybe it can break also.
If you're small.
Okay, so
We need milk.
okay, so next step I'm going to do.
And then we will put some.
Sorry for the background noise. Can I please?
Put 1 big spoon.
Like this much enough?
More.
Okay, so 1 big spoon. And then
A little bit. Because we don't need so much.
so this.
This will be perfect.
And then what to add?
Then we are going to add some milk. I'm going to do the milk. I'm going to give the cup because
I can do it.
Okay.
So how much cup?
Whole cup. 1 cup. Milk was off.
Okay, it's malai. It's malai.
Malai. If we have a story, the malai is not done.
Oh,
was not
okay.
done.
It's like just take off the malai. I will not. It's okay cause it's going to be mixed. One only.
Yeah, 1
So-
will be enough.
Wait a second. Now let Eva do it cause she didn't take anything. So now start. Sorry for that.
Yes,
So
Mama.
You can just go. You can go and talk to your mother.
Okay. Yes,
Eva,
Mama.
do like this. So that
First,
the
I will
batter-
take out the things from this.
these are some from. You can mix it with a spoon.
Yeah,
It's
that's better.
Like keep it at side. So she's going to mix with a spoon. That will be more easy for you.
Guys, or if you want bed with that, it's also
Yeah.
perfect.
But it's a little bit hard for us to do.
So as we are junior ones of cooking,
Yeah. So
I need to wash my hands.
okay, so you can.
My usual habit.
Don't mix it with that.
Wait,
It's sticky.
it's sticking. It's It's better with this. Can't you mix it?
No, we can't.
Wait.
Sarah, we can't do it with that.
Okay, wait.
Stop fighting.
Don't I make it every time? Come on.
Stop.
It's okay, guys. Just normal. She's cancelled. Okay, so what else? Do we need anything else?
Of course.
What?
We need to put like eggs now and some vanilla essence and some baking powder should left. So now we're gonna put
And
some-
vinegar.
Let her do it. And
No, not vinegar as well. So
Can
now
I love cracking eggs.
I don't know how to crack
I
it, so
know.
she's gonna do that part.
Do you know to crack eggs?
We both don't know.
I can try.
Guys, so we break it like that and then crack and go.
Perfect. You do it really good.
Can I try this one?
Yeah, sure.
But just break it and then give me. Otherwise,
I don't want to
Okay.
spoil this whole batter here.
Oh, maybe I can do it. You can do the next part. Oops. Okay, it's all over my hand. Okay, let me just throw this. Let me just count it.
Oh God, it's so fun, guys. To make the eggs. These are very fun. This is not eggless, guys, because
but if you want, you can do it eggless.
Hello, guys.
it will not, the texture will be not that high.
So maybe you need to add some more milk or something.
No,
If
it's
they-
already that.
We need vinegar, guys. So
Eva,
Yeah.
please bring vinegar.
Sorry, but please. Okay.
Vinegar. So I forgot vinegar. So
We even forgot milk, but we post the video and
here is vinegar.
so.
It's a vinegar non-fruit.
Okay,
now-
just be careful. Don't pour the vinegar in this.
Yeah.
Let's close this and keep it on the stove or something.
Wait.
We
so
have
put the cap. How much?
one cap.
One cap. And 2 caps.
What?
What?
We can't understand. What is happening, guys?
Should I put
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
one
And baking soda.
At the end when it's on
Did we put
red.
it in the oven on heat?
Oh no, let me just.
2
But
hours
let me-
enough.
Where's the switch?
It should be 15 minutes preheated. So we're
And
gonna
just come in.
Oh
You
my
do it.
God.
And-
Guys, where's the switch?
Stop
Guys, I love
करें.
you did.
So guys, come we're gonna show you how to put the oven on preheat.
Yeah, just a second, guys. Let
So-
me shoot the video.
See, our batter is but almost.
Okay, guys, so we are going to go to the oven. Sorry, guys.
Oven if you hold. So now we're gonna set the temperature up. It's gonna be 180. So it's on 180. Then we're gonna put it on the preheat mode. That's this mode. Now we're gonna set the time. This much, 15 minutes, and start. So it started, as you can see.
So,
And
we
it's
are going
preheating. Perfect.
Okay, guys, so now we are mixing. Sorry that I'm Truman, I'm camera side because the director got tired. So, this should be the batter, like the cake batter, almost like that.
But it's so tasty.
My sister.
Oh my god, Eva!
She loves eating the batters. You know. So now, guys, we're gonna marinate the cake.
Then we can mix it.
In which we're gonna put the cookie in. So now,
Okay, guys.
Like we can do it like this also, guys.
think it's really difficult to find it.
Yeah, guys, that's also a better way.
3.
Okay, guys, so next we have this.
Sorry for the background noise.
So, yes, sorry guys. So now we have this plate and to like spread the oil. So desi ghee, and now we are going to do the coating of the pan so the batter doesn't stick.
And guys, this is the yummy batter, as you can
Looks
see.
so yummy, but it would be more yummy after we cook it.
As guys, I'm doing the directing because Srivan wants to do this work. So
Yeah, guys, I love cooking. You must have seen my how to cook bread omelette one video. That was so tasty bread omelette that I made. I love to cook. I'm going to post more videos of cooking next time. Okay guys, so now this is the second batter. So now I coated. And Sarah, can you please come?
Guys, now I'll take you to our oven for seeing the preheating. So guys, here 10 minutes is left for the oven to heat. Okay guys, so now we are going to meet you in 20 minutes guys. So for now, bye bye. We'll meet you after 20 minutes.
Okay guys, so now this is our baked cookies. So Sarah, what next?
Cut it. Cut it like the pizza shape.
Okay, so for that we need the plate and to pour it, and then we are going to cut it now. It will be better. Huh?
It's okay.
So guys, okay guys, so this is the we have transferred it into place, and sorry for the background noise. And she has cut it. Oh no. So whatever. So can I have the pizza cutter please? Can I cut here? Please. Sorry for the background noises again.
Cookie is pretty. ये केक ही बन चुका है सारा.
Okay, yes. Say.
Transferred into cake. I don't know
Can
why.
anybody film? Poured ice cream and some more things. Then the dish is done.
So guys, you can see our cookies being ready and it's a
I'm gonna show
cupcake.
you how to decorate one. I'm gonna take this.
Yeah, just one. Other we are going to decorate and give it to people.
First, I will just eat it.
So,
Guys, it's so yummy, right? So we are
please try it
decorating
at
it
home,
also.
guys.
Now,
Try it at home.
now we will sell to people.
Yeah, we'll serve to people. So, bye guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Bye.